It took me a long time to get used to bedding down in public, because that was the big thing. It's like, this is weird. My name is David Henry Fussell. I had a flood in my house and then a lot of damage that wasn't covered by the insurance and everything. In the end, I accepted the fact that I would have to be homeless. It took me a long time to get used to bedding down in public, but you know, especially when I had my job and I had to start an early morning shift, I sometimes had to bed down, you know, maybe 7 o'clock, maybe to get a decent sleep, to be up for say 4 o'clock to get to work and do my shift at 5. So, you know, you get used to those things, but that was really strange at first, you know. When I came here in 2013, I never realised there were places like St Patrick's that fed you for free, which was fantastic, you know. I mean, even when I had my part-time job, the ability to save money on not having to feed myself, and that enabled me to do more, that sort of support, you know, and I was just knocked out by it. Since the issue with lockdown and everything, this has been really a mainstay for me. My experience of coming to London was almost overwhelming about how much help there was, but lockdown has taken 90% of that away. So the few places like St Patrick's that have stayed open for us are even more vital now. And I don't see how I could have even kept my job. You know, even when you did the breakfast outside in the park, sometimes that was the only food I got. So this was like a little oasis, really, of normality. What's been really nice for me is Father Alexander has always wanted me to play my music. That he likes my music and encourages me to sing and play. So that's very, very nice. It was always nice knowing you could come somewhere where you'd see all your friends. It's allowed us to keep in contact with one another and have that, you know, human interaction, which is so important. It's just a real family atmosphere, really.